Substitute function substitutes existing text with new text in a text string. This function has 4 arguments. In text argument, type the text string or select the cell reference containing text in which you want to replace text or characters. In old text argument, select the text string from the text argument you want to replace. Make sure the text in the old text argument matches with the text string in the text argument. Otherwise, substitute function will not replace the new text. In new text argument, type the text you want to replace with old text. In a new text argument, type the text you want to replace with old text argument text string. Instance num argument is optional. This argument specifies which occurrence of old text you want to replace. In text box, select this text string. Press tab key. In old text box, I want to replace second name Rex with William. Type Rex in this box. Press tab key. In a new text box, type text William. Press tab key. Leave blank instance num box. Click OK. Substitute function replaces second name Rex with William. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click substitute function. In text box, select this text string. Press tab key. In old text box, I want to replace number 2018 with 2019. Type 2018 in this box. Press tab key. In new text box, type 2019. Click OK. Function replaces 2019 with 2019 in this cell. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click substitute function. In text box, select this text string. Press tab key. In old text box, I want to replace going with you. Type going. Press tab key. In new text box, type you. Click OK. Function replaces text going with text you. In this way, you can replace text with existing text in an Excel worksheet by using substitute function.